Hello, boys and girls. Today we will be learning about short and long vowels. As I'm teaching, make sure you have some form of a recording sheet in front of you that you can follow along and write what I need you to write as I am dictating these vowels or words. And at the end of our lesson, you will also have to take a picture and post it on Seesaw. Anyways, let's get started with our lesson. We will be talking about short vowels first. Now remember, vowels are special letters because they can make more than one sound. In this lesson, you will learn two types of sounds that a vowel can make. To start, as I write the vowels on the screen, we are going to go through the letter and the sound that it makes. The first vowel that I am writing is A. On your piece of paper, please write A, pause the video, say the letter and the sound it makes. Great. A, at. The next vowel I'm going to write is E. On your piece of paper, please write E. Pause the video after you write E. Tell me the letter and the sound it makes. Great. E, ed. The next vowel I'm going to write is O. On your piece of paper, write the letter O. Pause the video and tell me the letter and the sound it makes. Great! O, on. The next vowel I am going to write is U. On your piece of paper, write the letter U. Pause the video, say the letter and the sound it makes again. Right, U, up. The last vowel I'm going to write is I. On your piece of paper, write I. After you write I, stop the video, pause the video, and again tell me the letter and the sound it makes. Great. It. You should have 5 vowels on your piece of paper. You should have A, E, O, U, and I. We are going to go through the letter and the sound it makes one more time. A, E, O, U, Now, that was really, really great. Now we're about to do it one more time, and let's see if we can go a little bit faster. As I'm saying the letter and the sound, make sure you're pointing along to your piece of paper. Ready? A, E, O, U, I, Okay, let's see if we can do it even faster. Let's point one more time. Ready? A, E, O, U, I, Very, very good, boys and girls. Now, you said the sounds of each vowel in a short amount of time, so very, very fast. I'm going to write the word short over these vowels. I'm going to erase every letter in the word short except the S. Now, I'm going to erase part of the S, but still leave a little mark. This mark we will call an arc. This mark is used when a vowel says its sound. When a vowel says its sound, it's called a short vowel. All short vowels are marked like this, with an arc over them. From now on, I will ask that you say the short vowel instead of just asking you to say the sound of the vowel. For example, if I ask you to say the sound of short A, what would you say? Great, you would say ah. Now, I'm going to erase this, and we are going to be learning about long vowels now. Now that you know how to mark the short vowels with the arc, we're going to learn how to mark those long vowels in words. Now, I'm going to start again with A, and I'm going to write all the vowels one more time. So I have A, E, O, U, and I. Now, we're going to say the name of each vowel again, but we're going to clap twice after we say each name. For example, let me do the first one for us. We would say A. Okay? Now, you're going to do it with me all the way through. So we are going to say A, clap, clap. E, clap, clap. Okay? Let's go. A, E, O, U, I. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, we're going to say the names of each vowel one more time. But this time, we're going to add 3 claps in between each one. Are we ready? Let's go. A, E, O, U, I. Fantastic, boys and girls. Because you were clapping after each letter, it took you longer to say the names of the vowels than it did for you to say the sounds of the vowels. I'm going to write the word long over these vowels. Now, just like I did for short, I'm going to erase every letter but the first letter, which is L. Now, when I erase L, I only want it to leave the bottom portion. So like this. This mark is used when a vowel says its name. When a vowel says its name, it's called a long vowel. Long vowels are marked like this. From now on, I will ask you to say the long vowel instead of just asking you to say the name of each vowel. For example, if I ask you to say the sound of long A, what sound would you say? Great! You would say A. Remember, long vowels say the letter's name. Let's go through each vowel and say its name. Ready? A, E, I, O, and U. Great job, boys and girls. Let's review one more time short and long vowels. Now, remember, when I am marking the short vowels, it takes me a short amount of time to say the sound. So when I write A, I put an arc over it and it makes the sound ah. When I see a short E in a word, it makes the sound eh. When I see a short O in a word, It makes the sound ah. When I see a short U in a word, it makes the sound uh. When I see a short I in the word, it makes the sound eh. Now let's review long vowels one more time. When I see a long vowel in a word, I mark it with a line over it. When I see a long A in a word, it says A. When I see a long E in a word, it says E. When I see a long O in a word, it says O. When I see a long U in a word, it says U. And when I see a long I in a word, it says I. Now, for today's assignments, boys and girls, you will take a picture of your piece of paper that you were working on as you were following along with my lesson. You will post it on Seesaw for your teacher to check. I have also posted a transfer card for you to read and record yourself reading it on Seesaw and post it for your teacher to see. Tomorrow, we will still be talking about short and long vowels, but tomorrow you will actually be writing slides and words that incorporate these letters. I hope you are having a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.